Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the brake and tail light bulb on this 2008 Toyota Tundra. First, open the tailgate. Remove these two bolts using a T30 Torx bit. There's a pin right here that comes out this way, so we need to disengage it. You can either grab the light and pull on it with your hands, or you can use a trim tool like this just to gently pop it out. So now this light housing is free. The brake and tail light is this bulb right here. So turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Now you can get the bulb and remove it out of here. Just comes straight out, easy peasy. The replacement part number is 3157, and you can check the links below the video for where to get a replacement bulb. Grab your replacement bulb and insert it. You can install it either way. Doesn't matter which way you turn it, it will work fine. And then they say not to put any oil from your fingers onto the bulb. It's best for its longevity. And then you've got the big tab right here, and you've got a large cutout right there. So line those up and then turn clockwise until it stops. And then these are the two tabs that we need to install into these two grommets right here for the light to clip in. This wire goes in here, and then install the two claws into the grommets. Now reinstall these two bolts with the T30 Torx heads and tighten them. The manufacturer does not provide a torque spec for them, so they just go into little clips on a plastic light, so they don't need to be super tight, maybe like 5 or 7 foot-pounds, but just snug them up until they feel like they're not gonna loosen themselves on their own. Okay, and now we can close the tailgate, and that's it. The job is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Toyota Tundra maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.